Healthy Lifestyle Crib presents Top 5 Keto Diet Perks. What is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet emphasizes fat consumption while severely restricting carbohydrates. In order to reap the health and wellness benefits of ketosis, it is crucial to monitor your fat to carbohydrate intake ratio while on keto. Meats, eggs, olive oil, and full-fat dairy products are among the keto diet's recommended staples. Vegetables and fruits that are low in starch are the main sources of carbs in this diet. One of the standard keto diet, SKD, consists of 70% fat, 20% protein, 10% carbs. What is ketosis? A ketogenic state, often known as ketosis, is the desired endpoint of a keto diet. The metabolic state of ketosis results in the production of ketone bodies, which the brain and central nervous system can use instead of glucose for fuel. Lack of carbohydrates in the diet leads to a depletion of glycogen, glucose, stores, and hence, the onset of ketosis. When glucose supplies are depleted, the body shifts to using fat for fuel, resulting in the production of ketone bodies. You should start entering ketosis after a few days on the ketogenic diet. You can confirm your state of ketosis with a blood or urine test for ketones. The keto flu is a set of symptoms experienced by some people during the first 2 weeks of the ketogenic diet. The analogy to the flu is misleading. This is not a genuine infection. It's actually just a collection of symptoms that look and feel like the flu. It is unclear why some people experience the keto flu, but it may be connected to how quickly one's metabolism adapts to burning fat rather than carbohydrates. Symptoms of the keto flu includes fatigue, headache, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and constipation. Fever and chills, confusion, trouble concentrating, and irritability. Problems sleeping, stomach pain and sugar cravings. Pros of the keto diet. Here are some of the potential health benefits of the keto diet. Number 1. May help you lose weight. The ketogenic diet is widely followed due in large part to the belief that it will help the dieter shed excess pounds. For quick, short-term weight loss, the ketogenic diet has been shown to be more successful than low-fat diets in multiple studies. However, it's possible that the majority of the weight reduction at first is just water. Number 2. May help lower cholesterol. Heart disease and plaques are often linked to low-density lipoproteins, LDL, the bad cholesterol. Since it helps reduce the risk of heart disease, high-density lipoproteins, HDL, are sometimes referred to as the good cholesterol. The ketogenic diet has been linked to lower levels of total cholesterol and higher levels of good HDL cholesterol. In this way, the ketogenic diet has the potential to reduce the danger of cardiovascular disease. Number 3. Helps control seizures. Before seizure drugs were commonly available, the ketogenic diet was developed as a means of reducing the frequency and severity of seizures. If you have difficulties controlling your seizures with medication alone, the keto diet may be worth a try. Number 4. May help with insulin resistance and controlling blood sugar. Insulin is a hormone that helps transport glucose from the carbs we ingest into our cells. Over time, insulin resistance can cause high blood sugar levels and progress to type 2 diabetes. Low-carb diets have gained popularity as a means of managing diabetes, which is characterized by persistently elevated blood glucose levels. There is some evidence that the ketogenic diet can help persons with type 2 diabetes manage their blood sugar and insulin levels. If you have diabetes and use medication, you should discuss any dietary changes you're thinking about making with your doctor, as this could necessitate closer monitoring of your diabetes control. Number 5. Possibly reduces blood pressure. Heart disease, stroke, and chronic renal disease are all made more likely by persistently high blood pressure. Following a ketogenic diet has been linked to a reduction in blood pressure and the maintenance of healthy blood pressure levels. Does the ketogenic diet actually work? Most trials of the ketogenic diet have lasted for fewer than 6 months, so there isn't a lot of data available just now. Accordingly, nothing is known about the ketogenic diet's long-term impact on health. While there has been encouraging studies, it is still too soon to promote the diet to the general public. It's also possible that the ketogenic diet could cause some unfavorable effects. It's not easy to stick to this eating routine for the long haul because the diet plan is so tight. Consult your doctor or a nutritionist before starting the ketogenic diet to learn about the potential advantages and risks. Would you give keto diet a try? Let us know at the comments below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe us and turn on our notification bell to get info. Thanks.